In this week's Fresh Produce Market Overview, we see that higher demand resulted in higher vegetable prices, with tomatoes increasing by 28% the past week. We are however expecting low demand in the fruit market to push prices down again this week. All in this week's episode, so make sure to stay tuned. Hi, I'm Johnny van der Merwe and welcome to this week's AMT Fresh Produce Market Outlook. To get the latest information, you can follow us on YouTube by clicking the subscribe button. We also have WhatsApp groups where we share additional information every week. You can find the link to these groups on AMT's Facebook page. The rand got some support last week as a result of the budget speech, but could not continue the run over the weekend, with the rand weakening again to 18.21 per US dollar. The Brent crude oil price increased a bit over the past week, with the latest price on $95 per barrel. OPEC is going to cut production by about 2 million barrels from the 1st of November to keep prices on its current higher levels. Looking at the vegetable markets, the average potato price increased by 16% the past week to 35.32 per 10 kg bag, but is still 28% lower than last year this time. The average Class 1 price increased to 36.99, while the price for Class 1 large medium mondials increased to 57 Rand per 10 kg on Nile.ag. We are expecting higher demand to result in higher prices again this week. Tomato prices increased by 28% to 7.15 per kilogram, mostly due to lower volumes and then also higher demand last week. The Class 1 price increased to 7.96, but we are expecting demand to improve this week, which may support tomato prices again. Carrot prices stabilized on 4.74 last week and is now about 117% higher than a year ago. The average Class 1 price decreased to 4.78, while Nile.ag's Class 1 large price traded slightly lower on 60 Rand per 10 kg bag. High demand can also support carrot prices this week. The latest onion price, however, decreased from its extremely high levels, with the latest price on 9.46 Rand, which is about 7% lower than the previous week. This was due to 37% higher volumes reported on the markets compared to the previous week. The Class 1 price decreased to 9.70 Rand, while the Class 1 large medium white onion price stayed on 105 Rand per 10 kg on Nile.ag. Seasonal trends indicate that this price can increase. However, if volumes remain on an upward trend as it did the past week, prices can rather trend sideways. Looking at other vegetable prices, the latest cabbage price increased to 2.82 Rand. Garlic prices decreased to 44.65 Rand, with volumes 23% higher. Spinach prices increased to 2.15 Rand, while the latest sweet potato price decreased to 3.10 Rand last week. Pepper prices stayed on 15.59 Rand, while pumpkin prices decreased by 12% to 2.86 per kilogram. This broadcast was made possible by Standard Bank, Nile.ag, Halfway Toyota and Zimmatic. Nile's online market makes it possible to order directly from South Africa's leading producers. Producers get the benefit of better price transparency, low commissions and faster payments. Learn more about Nile on their website www.nile.ag. Also make sure to contact Andrew and his excellent team at Halfway Toyota for the best service and prices nationwide for the Toyota of your choice. We're still expecting low demand for fruits in general this week, which can result in lower prices for most fruits. The banana price decreased by 8% to 5.93 Rand. The Class 1 price decreased to 6.58 Rand, while the Class 1 large hand variety price stayed on 135 Rand per 18 kg box on Nile.ag. We're expecting demand to improve slightly for bananas, which can support prices over the coming week. Apple prices increased to 7.93 Rand, with the Class 1 price on 8.63 Rand. The pear price, however, decreased by 10% due to higher volumes, trading on 6.85 Rand per kilogram. Apple and pear prices are likely to increase over the rest of this year, while volumes can continue on a downward trend. The orange price remained in an upward trend due to lower volumes, increasing by 19% the past week, to R4.37, while the Class 1 price increased to R4.78. Orange prices are likely to increase over the next few months due to lower volumes available locally. The latest lemon price increased by 10% to R3.99 last week. Avo prices remained sideways on R17.30, while the average Class 1 avo price traded on R18.49, mostly due to higher demand and higher volumes on the markets the past week. We are, however, expecting higher avo prices as we move towards the end of the year. Table grape volumes increased by 244% due to higher import levels again, which resulted in the price to decrease by about 18% to R87.93. The latest pineapple price decreased by 11% to R9.04, while blueberry prices decreased by 17% to R23.04 last week. Zimmatic irrigation systems are built to last, from industry-leading durability and strength to innovative enhancements and advanced technology. Every product is designed to be a part of a custom and flexible solution that will best support you and your field. This broadcast was made possible by Standard Bank, Nile.ag, Halfway Toyota and Zimmatic. I'm Dr. Johnny van der Merwe and thank you for watching.